Good-sized weekday crowd. I'd like you to meet Nessa Dizon, 22 years old from Makati City. She waves to the crowd like she's the winner of the Binibining Pilipinas because everybody's telling her to wave. You should see the number of people behind the camera asking her to wave, actually. And she just waved to all of you. She goes home as our face of the game with a delightful box of pizza, which I will never have in my life, really. Dakis. Medyo na-check si Dakis ng depensa rito, no, ha?
Yes, it well-placed ball.
Okay, why?
Veteran move.
Why happy childhood? Have you seen a libero didn't like tumbling and moving around and, you know, they don't smile that often.
Kiti-kiti.
Oh, no.
Kailangan.
Kailangan na listo sa bola. Tsaka complete humility yan. Hindi ka papalo eh. Out.
And plus, bihirang ma-recognize nga yun. Pero, if not the most difficult, one of the most difficult, positions or role.
One of the early times it was introduced in the Olympic Games in 2000 in Sydney, they would call it then, I was there, and they would call it the libero.
Libero, yeah.
And I think we got used to it when Leila Barros came over. Cuba, of course, did not have a libero. In the meantime, Dakis. Such a competitor, actually.
Talking about liberos, Crisostomo, 4 excellent digs so far. Lazaro with an equal number. Atlong on 3 attack points in 1 block so far.
I wouldn't be surprised. Si Rachel, yun yung familiar ritual niya, no? Bago
yung tumatalikod pa nga eh. Patlong with a single block. Not enough for Jeng Boli.
Nakalihis eh. Diba? Hindi, which is the issue against sometimes blocking. You have to press it eh.
Yes. Yung tinatawag nila offensive block. Kailangan i-direct mo. Redirect actually. I-redirect yung power.
Galing mo siguro sa physics part.
Naku,
Object
that's one of my best.
Object A
you
to Object B. Oh, look at this. Alyssa connecting again.
This time, Ateneo making sure na hindi na masyadong nakakascore itong San Sebastian at this point. Yes. At sila rin, yung offense and defense nila functioning so well.
Crisostomo to Crisostomo. Sounds like a law office. That is in... out. Outside, so... One day I will talk to these Crisostomo sisters and find out how happy their childhood is. Ferrer.
Parang never-ending childhood ka sa itsura eh.
Oo nga. May mga ganun yung blessed by nature. Ang tandaan nyo na, yung pa rin na itsura, kakainis. Unfair ang buhay. Tapos kasya pa yung uniform nyo nung araw sa kanya. Kainis. Tumahimik eh.
A little bit long.
19-11. We're going to go with Malyare's serve. Maria Ara Malyare inside.
Poor decision there. Ayan, yun yung sinasabi natin kanina, no? Yung kailangan nasa tamang position ka. Katulad nun, miscalculation on the side of Lazaro.
Axel is our official outfit here in the Shakey's B League. Everybody, cameramen, production people, everybody who enters this building who has something to do with the game. They like Tajima.
Tajima now comes in.
I think the middle is a problem in terms of blocking. They want to solidify that area.
And plus you would want Tajima to have her playing minutes. Gusto mo nang i-groom yan eh. Going into the next UAAP, especially wala na nga yung Fab 5, diba?
Yep. Tajima had to step into that role of blocker.
To Jeng Boli.
Yes, not only Jeng Boli. During the UAAP season, when she had to go up against the tall players of De La Salle. 2013 is the count. Wally serving at 13.
And in those games, as young as she is, as inexperienced as she is, you know that they will need her someday.
Yes, indeed.
Diba?
In the meantime, Valdez was 2 steps behind the ball. Sometimes pag pumufloat yung bola, ang hirap basahin, ano?
Oo, ang hirap talaga. Kasi...
Oh! Oh! Sumigaw na yung ali.
Rachel Andakis on that open hit, nailing that one in.
Sensya na, ha? Sabi na kay Susan Roses, sensya na, kalas pisigaw ito eh. Verbano. Roses too close to the net. We had to adjust. Dakis with that gate of hers. Nice tap by Crisostomo. Ferrer, one more time to Rachel. One-hander by Boili. Uy! This could take forever.
And you know, you can see how seasoned Rachel is. Sa iba-iba niya dinadala yung bola. Down the line, gitna, sa side.
Longest rally. Long.
That is long for Jeng Boili.
Agigil. And that really sapped a lot of energy. Yung nakakuha ng point, okay lang. Yung hindi nakakuha, let's listen to Clint Malasa.
Pag sinet mo doon sa quick mo, mo lang, kaya mo doon sa mga yan. Hoy, yung kakampi natin, yung papakamatay sa depensa, yung mga palong tapit-tapit lang, ayaw natin kunin. Malapit na yan sa depensa, sa harap, makahapit ka sa likod, tumulong tayo sa depensa. Ha? Bilhin natin nakatigil.
Jeng Boili on that last play, talagang tinutodo niya eh. Gusto rin niya humabol, but this is just a mountain to climb for San Sebastian. Ito yung tinatanong mo minsan, partner eh. At pag ganitong sitwasyon ba, do you let it go and think of the next set?
That's probably in the mind of Clint Malaso. Shakies for fun, family pizza. It's got to be Shakies. Kainglet tracks it down.
Oh, what a save.
Good set. It's a good set. Uy, it's out. It was a good set to begin with.
Uy, getting that one. Crisostomo now to serve.
Lazaro. Kainglet. Crawler across the net. Roses, Ferrer. Dakis playing along. Wally.
Oh, Jeng Boili getting it this time. Kuha na niya from the back row. Ateneo, only 2-4 points.
First
Tie
set.
up the ball game, diba?
Yes, first set going the way of San Sebastian. Ferrer, familiar move. Crisostomo, no problem. Uy.
Oh, uy. Getting that point, and she was so brave because it was close to the net.
Actually, she's
Ang
doing...
hirap.
she may like it that way.
Yes.
Merong player na ganun, ano?
May gusto kasi may broad jumper, mayroong, di ba, may vertical leaper. Kaya lang pag broad jumper, ayaw mong ganun. Lalo na yung ganun, parang sibat yung pagkakaset.
Dakis doesn't like that. Gusto niya malayo, gaya nito. Recycle. Roses missed it.
Oh, but Uy was there.
Smart play.
And Tajima. This time getting that point.
She looks like one of those young upcoming artists on the telenovela, and I guess the crowd sees a little of their story in her.
Oo. Ano talaga yan is, yung typical na walang alam, nakita malaki, tapos kinuha sa
And
preview.
yes, walang ere, walang
willing to learn, willing to go to good school.
And Gorayev's class, and it's over. Finally, Ateneo breathing a sigh of relief. We're tied in the number of sets. We shall be back. Ang inyong Shakey's Bilig ay magpapatuloy pagkatapos natin silipin ng ating Shakey's Shakin' Play.